stuff with it, have a conversation with him, but he's argumentative with him, yelling at him, just throwing his jacket out.
Can I get 2 units to go around to the south side to block him off? Number 12, every 10 I can do that for Buckeyes.
Starting that eastbound unit, we're going to hold just west of the corner, and he starts to move back towards the house, we'll let you know. Go for Sam Loader.
BRB is walking out to confirm ID on subject.
That's crazy, man. We're looking for somebody.
Copy. Just understand myself and first 20. We confirm it. Do we have a secondary unit going to the south side? Yeah, I'm on the south side. You've got 2 units down there on the south side there. We're just holding a little further west to stay out of any crossfire from them. If he starts moving, we'll let him know.
Don't forget to follow me for all the breaking news. I'm not in my car tonight. I'm just over here at my apartments and just happened to hear a star up above, and lo and behold, they're looking for somebody.
Sam 11.
There's a couple of contact, you know. That's